In terms of the skin beauty and aging lecture, I'm going to focus on my true cosmetic consultation. Like when a patient comes through the door as a new patient, I look at their face, I assess their face. We have giant screens in each of our patient rooms. And so we have their face on the screen, and I can enlarge it with just spreading my fingers, much like an iPhone. And we focus on what they want. So we'll focus on their eye area if they feel like their eyes are aging, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm going to talk about my cosmetic consultation in my private practice. And then I'm going to go through some basic science in terms of cosmeceuticals that really work. I stress to my patients with cosmeceuticals, you get what you pay for in many cases. And there needs to be science behind things. They just can't claim they work because the celebrity said they work. They actually have to work because of the science behind them. So I'll talk about my cosmetic consultation, some basic science, and some products that work. And then I'll show some before and after pictures of several of my patients in terms of what I'm able to do to help them with their goals. My practice is image dermatology because I want to be able to help people with their self-image, with their skin image, with their face image, and with their body image. And speaking of body, my other lecture that I'm doing is in the medical body shaping section, and it's medical face and body shaping. So I'll be talking about skin tightening in terms of different machines to use to tighten your skin, to keep your skin sharp and not as saggy for the face, for the neck. And then I'm also talking about non-invasive fat melting for the stomach. And then I'm also talking about cellulite reduction with the new machine that's not on the market yet. So I actually have 2 lectures and I'm very much looking forward to sharing my information with my colleagues as well as receiving information and learning from them. I think I'd like to share that my colleagues need to believe in themselves, stress the efficacy of science, stress why they are recommending a certain skin protocol to their patients, and stick to that. So I look at evidence-based medicine. I know a lot of my colleagues look at evidence-based medicine. So I want to stress to them that they need to focus on the science to help their patients achieve their anti-aging goals, much the same way that I do. With regard to artificial intelligence, I think that it is not going to supplant the need for doctors at all. There needs to be an interface so we can look at people's skin. I mean, even if I'm looking at skin on a presentation and I see it in a slide, it's not the same as looking in person. So AI is in no way going to supplant physicians. That being said, I think that ChatGPT is a great way to get extra information about whatever, esoteric dermatologic disease you're looking for. And so I think it's a great way to gather more information to find the facts so you can present them out to your faculty and your administration that you're trying to impress, and make sure that you're your very best. Always be prepared. And I would have to say, never stop trying.